everybody, and welcome to day 11 of our 12 days of giveaway. I'm sad that we're like almost done with this. This has been so fun. I wish you guys could see like our work. Well, it's pretty much just me and Michael and Hadley. But anyways, we've been so excited to do this. We love the opportunity to celebrate you guys and also highlight small businesses that really deserve support. And I love introducing you to businesses and people and things that I love in my practice, and to make your practice special and fun. And anyways, if you don't know what we're doing, for 12 days, we are highlighting 12 small businesses, doing a giveaway of one of their items, and then including all of their information in the caption in case you want to give them a follow and a support. And also we wanted to celebrate you guys. It has been a wild year. I mean, honestly, around this time last year, I was mentally preparing for Let's Make Art to end. I don't know if you guys remember that time. There was no communication. Things were going on clearance. We didn't know what was going on. My contract was up December 31st, and I go, okay, this is the end. And I was, kind of emotionally devastated.
Not a fun time.
Not a fun time.
Do not recommend.
But then it turned into something really magical and amazing, which is I was able to buy Let's Make Art, and Michael and I finalized the sale in May. Since then, it has been a whirlwind of figuring out how to run a large business. But honestly, the support, the reaction, and the patience and love and understanding that we have received from you guys has been amazing and like life-giving, because owning a business is no joke. It is constant work. It is stress, but it is so rewarding when we see people paint, because that's the whole thing. That's why we're here, to just create. It's so beneficial for you guys to have a creative practice in your life, whether it's watercolor or not. And I'm honored that I have the opportunity to show you the wonderful world of watercolor and how fantastic and freeing and fun and interesting and sometimes heartbreaking and, all of this, to see your growth has been an honor and a gift, and I'm so grateful for it. So anyways, sorry, I'm getting all sentimental here. Let's get back to the focus here, which is the small business we are highlighting today. And the one we are highlighting today is Pottery by Eleni. She is a ceramic artist. She is fantastic. We have done a collaboration with her before, and she actually designed this palette for me. This is called the Dandelion Palette. You can't, my palette's a little messy, so you can't see the dandelion details in gold on here. But I ordered one for a lucky winner here. And I will say that this is also a limited edition. She's doing a last call for these. So these are not going to be available on her website, anymore in the far future. She's doing a last call. So I'm super excited that one of you guys gets to win one of these beautiful, beautiful palettes. She also has lots of other palettes if you want to take a look in case this dandelion one is gone by the time you look. So I love it so much, as you can see. And if you've painted it along with us in this last year, you'll recognize this. This is my painting palette for the Let's Make Art monthly boxes. So you definitely have seen this in tutorials. And so I am thrilled that one of you will have one of your very own. Okay?
All right.
Michael.
Drum roll, please.
Drum roll, please.
The winner of the Dandelion Palette is Lynn Rochard.
Lynn, congratulations! I'm so excited for you to win this palette. I hope you love it. We will be sending you an email to make sure we have your shipping information, and you will get this lovely, lovely palette in the mail. Eleni is I've talked to her a few times. She's so kind. She's so sweet. She makes really lovely things. So if you want to check out her goods or other things, if you want to show her some support, we're going to include her website in the caption. And I just wanted to thank you guys for being here on this journey with us. I hope you've really been enjoying these giveaways, and I hope you found things that you love and new small businesses that you can show your support to. And I know that sometimes we think support means buying things, which that is showing support, but also support means just hoping for their success, giving them signing up for their email address or giving them a comment or, just saying a kind word to let them know that the hard work that they're putting into this passionate creative business is noticed and appreciated. That also is showing support. So even if you can't financially swing a lot of these things, don't stress. The amazing thing is just them knowing they have someone cheering them on. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for being a part of this. And tomorrow's our very last day. And you guys are in for a treat. Y'all are going to freak out. Okay. Anyways, thanks for being here. We'll see you guys for our very last day tomorrow, day 12. Bye.